Hey, sorry. How you doing?
Good.
Where's this one coming from?
Japan?
There you go.
All right, there you go.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.
What's up, everybody? I'm Broke and Famous. Welcome to Vintage Kicks Gallery, and we have another installment of Overnight from Japan. So what is this? We're unboxing sneakers from Japan. Let's get started. All right, I'm going to set these like this and just start from the top. And as usual, I'll show you with the infographics what I paid. Ooh, I see a vintage box here. I also see the remnants of some soles, so these are definitely Air Maxes. Right, what do we have here? An Air International. Okay, so this would be, let's see, about 30 years old at this point, so they're going to be completely destroyed. But a great addition to the collection because this colorway is my favorite for the 180s and beyond. So get some good shots of these. And they are crumbling. All right. First one's not too bad. Right, this one is from Tokyo. Looks like we have a pair of 1985 Royals, and they are beaters. What do you think? They are beaters. So these are going to be a restoration project. They do need new soles, but these were dirt cheap, and we're going to have a pretty good product when they're done. The bones are good here. So keep an eye out for the restoration video for these and basically all the ones we unboxed today. All right, we have two left. Can anybody tell what they are yet? All right, let's pull them out. Looks like we have a pair of Dunks from, what are these, 98? Let's see here. Tag is badly damaged. 04 actually. They're a little beat for 04, but 04s are still a great condition. 04s are still a great quality, I mean. These will come back to life, and the soles are good. These are in my size. I am happy about these. All right, final one, and the box is by far my favorite. This is Basquiat, so let's hope for something good inside. If I can figure out how to open it. Well, looks like another pair of Royal 185s, and let's take a look at these here. They are in pretty good condition, actually. They've been to a cobbler for the soles, so these are wearable. Let's see the next one. Pretty nice. Let's see what factory they are. TH, so that's a bit of a rare pair for Royals. And they have the full insole writing still on them. These soles are just hysterical though. So for those of you that don't know, it's popular in Japan for them to resole shoes by just putting basically the outsole portion on. So that's what these had done, but they're fully wearable. And these uppers are going to restore really, really well. They don't have the OG laces, but those insoles are absolutely perfect. So I'm excited about these. So let's take a look at what we got. We got 2 pairs of 85 Royals. We got a pair of 04 Dunk Highs. And we got the Internationals. So not a bad day from Japan. Let me know what you want me to restore first. I'm thinking that one of these Royals would be good. I would like to probably start with this one because I think these are going to come out really great. And I'm telling you, when you see how clean the insides of these are, they did not get a ton of wear. So these are going to be really nice for somebody. These are going to be personal shoes for sure. I'll get these all cleaned up and we'll show you the restoration. And these, who knows what we're going to do with them. They need a lot of work. They need new soles. They need some work on the uppers, but all right, guys, thanks as usual. Subscribe, please, if you haven't already. Like the video. Actually, I really don't care if you like the video, but YouTube does for some reason. We're still doing the weekly giveaways, so go ahead and enter. Go to the85project.com, and then you'll see a YouTube link. Under that YouTube link, there's contests. The contest password for this week is bootleg, BOOTLEG, and I believe it ends in a couple days, so get that in. All right, guys, thanks. Bye.